Welcome guys to my channel. According to the news we have today, Linda Ikeji blasts Wizkid for calling Koza pastor fake. She says, "You have no right to call someone fake." Top Nigerian blogger Linda Ikeji, whose eye and pepper with superstar musician Wizkid aka Starboy, has blasted him on Twitter. Their sworn vendetta continues as Linda draws first blood by reacting to the Twitter post Wizkid made about fake pastors and churches. Expressing her anger towards singer, Linda said, "You have no right to say someone is fake. You have to remove those dirt from your eyes first before trying to remove someone's own. Now only thief they know thief. You know what I'm talking about." Linda sounded so cocky, as though she knows a lot of top secrets about Wizkid, who has effortlessly kept a low profile over the years, compared to his counterparts known for living a noisy and lavish lifestyle. Could this be another chapter of war between the two heavyweights? The last was very brutal, and the duo were way less influential than they both are today. They both have tried to steer clear of each other for years, but we guess Linda could not bottle how she was feeling anymore. We can only expect more drama in coming days. Let me know what you think, guys, in the comment section. Thank you.